Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet issues. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Meet, you should just go to Settings. After that we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list you will enter to the window of Google Meet. Then this page of App Info you will click on Force Stop and we click OK. After that we click on Storage. Here we click Clear Cache. Then you will enter to Play Store. You can click uninstall your app and you can wait a moment to uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.